Good morning, Year 2. Welcome to your Wednesday maths lesson. You know how this starts. We do it every time. Pause the video. Got some quick arithmetic questions to have a go at. Off you go. Right, let's have a look. You should have paused the video and done it. So 3 plus 4, nice and simple to start us off. 7, 14 take away 3 is 11. 75 plus 24 is 99. 84 minus 12 is 72. Then we've got 45 plus 25, which is, of course, 70. We've got 83 take away 24, which is 59. We've got 19 plus 27, which is 46. We've got 46 take away 46, 43 take away 26, which is 17. 1 times 10. Whenever we times by 1, the number stays the same. It is 10. 6 times 5, 30. Love it when we go into a new row. 9 times 2 is, of course, 18. And then finally, 6 times 3. It's only gone and got a second consecutive 18. 2 18s in a row. Okay. So well done if you got those. Let's move on. So today we're moving away from division for a bit and we're going to look at tally charts. Okay, tally charts. Huh, what's a tally chart? Have I heard of that before? Have I done it before? Have a think. Do you recognize that? Those words. Okay, so tally charts are essentially where we record information by doing lines. Okay, so for example, if I was to take a tally of the children in my class and of their favorite toy, yeah, and I can put options. So would they choose Lego? Would they choose toy cars? Would they choose aeroplanes? Or would they choose dolls? Okay. I can then go around and go, oh, okay, so Gemma would pick Lego. So I'm going to put a line in Lego. William would pick aeroplanes. So I'll put a line in aeroplanes. Vahan would pick cars. So I'm going to put a line in cars. So tallying is putting lines down to create a table of information. Because then by the end, I can go, oh, this many people think Lego is the best. This many people think cars are the best. Now, when we tally, we go 1, 2, 3, 4. Every time we get to a multiple of 5, we then put the 5th line through it like this. Okay, that symbolizes 5. Okay, so you can see here, we did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then they moved on and started again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The reason we do this is so when we come to add up our tallies, we can then just count in our 5s rather than trying to count loads of single lines. Rather than trying to go, oh, I've got 1, 2. I can just go, right, this has got a line for it, so it is 5. 10. 15, counting in my 5s, 5, 10, 15, I've got one more than 15 is 16. So I can draw a line from that to the number 16 because that is one more than 15. Right, so you got 3 others. You can pause the video, have a go. Counting in your 5s, then counting how many extra are after, and then what number is it representing? Give it a go. All right, so here you should have got 5, 10, 15, 20, 21. Over here, we should have got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. And then finally, just the 1, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's how you should have done it. Well done if that's what you got. Okay, so it's all about being able to read tallies. That's what we are focusing on today. All right, so here is your first question to just have a go at on pencil and paper. This isn't part of your assignment. This is to practice, okay? So how many 1p coins do I have? How many 2p coins do I have? How many 5p coins and how many 10p coins? Count in your 5s, count on the extra ones, work out your answer. Off you go. Okay, so 1p coins, we should have got 5, 6, 7, 8. So we should have got 8 1p coins. That's a really bad 8. Here, 2p coins, we should have got 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Let's see if I can do it better. 24, 24, much better. Okay, here, for 5p's, 5, 10, 15, 16, 17. So now, 17. And then finally, for the 10p's, 5, 10, 11, 12. So we can write 12. Oh, it's a bit of a wild 2, but we got there. Right, next practice question. So Ed carried out a pond survey. He says, I found 34 newts and shrimps altogether. True or false? Explain how you know. Okay, so this is a bit more to do with reasoning. So first things first, how many newts are there? We've got 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yep, he recorded that right. So we can say with certainty there are 14 newts. Now let's look at shrimps. 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23. Yep, he recorded that right. So I have 14 newts and 23 shrimps. So my new number sentence can be 14 plus 23. So I need to see if all together they have 34. Pause the video. What's 14 and 23? Did you get it? 37. Okay, so that is false. Okay, I know that because there are 14 newt, there are 23 shrimp. I added them together and it made 37, which is more than 34. Okay. Right. This is your main task. Now, the worksheet is under resources as a PDF in Teams, but I've also adapted it as a Word document for an assignment, okay? So it shouldn't come up as an image. You should be able to do it where essentially you'll have these tallies and you have to tell me how much is in each tally. That's simple. There's also a quiz separate to the assignment. So there's two things to do, the assignment and the quiz, okay? If you don't have Teams, here are your questions like you would normally do, okay? Let's move on. And then the stretch. Now, this is just an extra worksheet, a PDF, okay? So this is up to you whether you do this or not. If you want to stretch yourself that bit further, okay? So this one, the main task is there is a Word document assignment as well as a quiz, okay? The stretch is just an extra PDF for if you want it. I hope that makes sense. Thank you, everyone, and I'll see you later.